Hello, welcome to another video with me, Mr. Morrison. As you may have noticed, my microbit is lighting up along to the music. So this is quite a simple project for us today. I'm going to call it Disco Lights, and it is just that the microbit lights are lighting up at different brightnesses depending on the sound level that is input to our microphone. So the microphone's reading a level and we're then going to use that to adjust the brightness in our code. So let's get coding. So to create our disco lights, we're going to use on start and forever, so we'll keep them where they are. We're going to go into basic and we'll go into show LEDs, and we're just going to fill this LED all the way up at the moment. You could have a different picture after you've got this set up. You could choose your own picture that will be lighting up. But at the moment, I've just got all the lights. I'm then going to go into LED and I'm going to go into more. So this is the more advanced blocks, and I'm going to choose set brightness. So at the moment, it's got set brightness a value between 0 and 255, which is a top. But what we want to do is set a value according to the sound level input. So we're going to go into input and we need to find sound level, which is at the bottom of the microbit V2 section. So now, when we change the sound level, it will change the brightness like that. Download this onto the microbit, see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.